Open the Arduino file. Let us discuss the code. We have included Arduino header file, ESP8266 HTTPS header file, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi header file. Declare X input to pin A0. Here we need to enter detail of the Wi-Fi available at our home. Here we need to put SSID to find SSID. Go to Wi-Fi setting. Here you will get exact SSID of your Wi-Fi. Now here write the password of your Wi-Fi. Initialize minimum and maximum raw ranges for each axis. This is the setup function. First we initialize the serial monitor to display. Declare LED pin as output pin. This is important function, Wi-Fi.begin. This function will connect NodeMCU with Wi-Fi. This while loop is used to wait till Wi-Fi will get connected. During waiting time it will keep printing dot on serial monitor. Then will display Wi-Fi is successfully connected. This is device ID. Here you need to paste device ID which you have received from cloud. Next is the loop function, accelerometer code, to find running status of vehicle. Here we will check if Wi-Fi is connected. This is the cloud URL. With this line we will start HTTP connection with the cloud. Then we will add HTTP header. Here we will make the HTTP GET request to cloud. With HTTP.getString function, HTTP GET response is received. And it will be stored in payload string. Not HTTP connection is closed. Blink LED to indicate one cycle of HTTP request. That's it. This is the code.